Is that a real cough, Evelyn? Okay, tell me about it. What do we need to do?
Get medicine.
How come?
Because it's hard to get the cough away.
But how do you know it's gonna help?
You need medicine to get it out of your mouth. I wish.
What do you wish?
I wish the cough away. I wish there's the cough away. But medicine helps.
How does it help?
It helps because it's not healthy, but it helps you get better.
Yeah, how does it help you get better?
You take it and it tastes delicious.
Oh, so that makes you feel better, that right?
Mhm.
Oh, that's important.
So you have to get up and get me medicine before I cook you dinner.
You're gonna cook me dinner?
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna cook me?
Stew.
What type of stew?
Vegetable stew.
Vegetable stew? Where's my meat? Where's my protein?
The protein's in there.
Yeah, what is it?
It's vegetable stew.
Oh, so no protein?
No. And there is protein in there.
Like what? Like broccoli?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's not bad.
And lime and lemons and strawberries and eggs and lots of things.
Well, that's good.
There's lots of things in my fridge. There we go. So, can you get me? Can you make me feel better?
In what way?
In medicine way. Medicine helps you.
You only use medicine when you need it.
I really need it.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Evelyn.
I'm sick. And I have a cough and it won't go away.
Are you sure you have a cough?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What if I don't believe you?
You do believe me.
Why?
Because the cough is way bad. And then the medicine is way, very fast.
Yeah?
I need it very, very bad.
How bad?
Really bad.
I don't think you do.
I do. I do, Daddy.
Nah. Anyway.
Yes, I do.
Is that your cough?
Mm-hmm.
A legitimate cough?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You swear?
I do.
Okay. We're gonna go to bed, you know.
But, Daddy,
What?
I have to get this cough away first.
Oh, it's just bothering you, eh?
That's bothering me a lot. I'm really medicine quick.
Well, we don't do medicine unless you got a fever, and you don't.
But, Daddy, I have a cough.
No, medicine doesn't solve a cough.
Medicine helps you.
Well, it helps you with some stuff.
Yes, it helps you with all stuff.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Helps you with some things. Not everything.
Yes, it does.
Why?
Because medicine helps people. Not good for you, but it really helps you get better. And I really need it because I have the cough.
Yeah? How does it help you get better, though?
But I really need it.
Well, what does it do that makes you feel better?
It has medicine inside it. And it helps you feel better.
How does it make you feel better?
Like pills and like water, like lava, Yeah, they're all medicines.
Yeah?
Yeah, they have flavors inside them.
What type of flavor?
The blueberries inside the blue one, and the pink inside the pink one. There's watermelon inside the pink one, and there's prune inside the little one. Yep.
Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, but the protein ones.
The what ones?
The protein ones are healthy.
The protein ones, eh?
The protein ones help me get better. So we have protein ones that will we get you better.
You think so?
Mhm. So you have to get up and get me medicine.
You have medicine when you're really sick.
I'm really sick right now. Get me medicine.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Why don't you put it on my shoulder?
What's this?
I don't know. What is it?
I made a whip for your shirt.
A what?
It's maybe a whip for
A
your
rip?
shirt.
A rip on my shirt?
Yeah.
Should we say goodbye? You still dealing with the rip?
I really need this cough to go away.
Okay, we'll work on it, okay?
Can you help me feel better?
Yeah, I'll help you. All right?
Do you need medicine to make you feel great?
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
Oh, you're wise to it now, eh? You wise to what's going on? You're being videotaped. You're being videotaped. You like stop it?
Get the phone. Wait.
No, I gotta end it. There we go. It stopped.